If you're looking to set up a call center workflow in Monday.com, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to streamline your call center operations using Monday.com, and I'll also reveal a couple of tools that might do it better. So, first things first, let's jump into creating a new board. This is where you'll set up your workflows. Start by creating a new board and selecting the call center workflow template or simply start from scratch. Monday.com has a variety of templates, but the real power lies in customizing it to your needs. Next thing, once your board is created, focus on creating columns for each stage of the call center process. You'll want columns for the customer name, the nature of the call, priority level, assigned agent, and status updates like in progress, follow up, or completed. These columns will help you track each call from start to finish. Monday.com allows you to easily drag and drop items across these columns to update progress, which can be incredibly useful for real-time tracking. The third thing you should do is automate. Monday.com offers a range of automation options. Set up automations to assign calls to specific agents based on certain criteria, like priority or type of inquiry. You can also automate reminders for follow-ups or escalate unresolved issues after a certain time. Automation saves your team time and reduces the risk of missing critical tasks. Now, let's talk about integrations. Monday.com integrates with a ton of tools like Slack, Zoom, and email, which can be key in a call center workflow. You can integrate Zoom so agents can initiate video calls directly from the platform, or use Slack for real-time communication between team members about an ongoing case. This seamless connection can make your workflow a lot smoother. The fifth thing is reporting. You'll want to measure performance, so Monday.com's reporting tools will come in handy. Set up dashboards to track key metrics like average call handling time, number of calls resolved, customer satisfaction ratings, and agent performance. Dashboards give you a high-level overview of how your call center is performing, which is crucial for optimization. But here's the thing, while Monday.com is a solid tool, it's not the best fit for every call center. If your team handles a high volume of calls or needs specialized features like advanced CRM integration or dedicated customer service tools, there are other options that might serve you better. For example, I've worked with other platforms that offer more in-depth customer interaction features like advanced ticketing systems, custom workflows, and deeper CRM integration, which Monday.com doesn't always excel in. That's why, at the end of this video, I'll mention a few alternatives that might be better suited to your goals, tools that specifically cater to the nuances of call center management. But before we get there, let's circle back. If you do stick with Monday.com, they offer a free trial, so you can explore all of these features without committing right away. Plus, I have an exclusive link for you that will give you extended access and additional benefits. Now, here's the twist. I've got some alternatives for you that might even offer better results for your call center's specific needs. These alternatives also come with free trials, so you can explore them risk-free. Make sure you check the link in the description for the best free trial deals, available exclusively for our viewers. To wrap up, Monday.com has its place in a call center workflow, but if you're looking for more specialized features, you'll definitely want to check out those alternatives. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab that exclusive deal through the link below.